Who need the full content of weekly horoscope? The answer is all those people who have very important dates, meetings, events for this coming week, where you are making very important decisions, choices, decisions, where you're going for an interview, presentations, where you're going for exam or test. Very important event happening, and where you have to make a clear head thinking and you have to make an important decision or choice, where you need advice, support, help and guidance. All those people may need full content, because our full content is not only a prediction but is applied horoscope, where you can do a lot of things regarding task, precaution, chanting. Tasks are there for you balance the astrological equation. Precaution will save you from something is not right, and chanting can boost you up. But only if you need all this information and you want to apply this. But in the preview, we only share with you only one part, conclusion, out of the 5 parts. The 5 parts are like this. Transit will define you the overall environment of this whole week. And conclusion will define your actions and reactions and part of the environment. Task, how you balance the astrological equation. Precaution is for defense, what you shouldn't do. Chanting, how you can get a boost, how you can boost yourself up. For all these contents and the premium content, if you think you need it, then you have to buy it from the website, prakashastrologer.com. These are applied horoscope. Here you can use this horoscope for your own benefit. Prediction awareness is there, but what you need to do, everything has been explained in the full report. Virgo, in this coming week, due to Jupiter position in 6th house, sometimes your heart can be broken, very sad and disappointed. Saturn position 5th house, may I say that look after your activity, creativity. Sun, Mercury, Mars, Ketu in 3rd house, watch your communication with the world around you. More you communicate fluently, flawlessly, more you achieve. Rahu's position 9th house, may I say that in this coming week, with all due respect, when the Rahu's position 9th house, you need elders' blessings. And this particular week, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, define your moon's transit effect. That will define your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices. The whole complete weekly horoscope report will define you. The report will give you the task, the important tasks you must do according to Indian Vedic astrology. Those tasks will help you to come out from any ugly situation. Precaution wise, what you shouldn't do for the whole week. Chanting, which sacred chanting can give you the boost. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Virgo weekly horoscope, 6th December till 12th December, Virgo, for this coming week. First thing first, your conclusion. Conclusion for this Virgo, for this coming week, conclusion of this week, Virgo. In this coming week, wealth and vehicle are acquired. You'll gain from land and business. Virgo, in this coming week, you will have a material comfort. The government or people who have power will favor you, will support you, will guide you, will help you. Virgo, in this coming week, there are some chance of wasteful expenditure, and you got to look after your relationship with family members. Sometimes temper can be sky high. There will be rise in vigor and vitality, name and fame and honor. You'll gain fame and accomplishment. You'll be able to dominate over your opponents. There will be favor from superiors. Your health will be good. You'll put a lot of effort into activities. There will be acquisition of money, and success in government job will be there. There will be gain in your professional status. You may also look for new residence or some sort of a change of job or change of residence. Things like that. There may be some sort of an issue regarding body pain. Your status in social circle will be enhanced. You'll acquire land and comfort. You will dominate over your opponent. There may be favor from higher authorities. Your desire will be fulfilled. There will be success through personal efforts. If under any litigation, you'll succeed.